Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create WhatsApp channel to stay connected with your followers and share updates directly. Let's dive in. First thing is first, make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. Open WhatsApp on your device. Once you are in WhatsApp, navigate to the Updates tab. Within the Updates tab, locate the channels. In front of channels, you will see plus symbol. Tap on that. Here, select Create Channel. Tap on Continue to proceed. Now, you will move to the Setup channel. Enter your desired channel name. Provide a brief description about your channel that to understand your followers what's your channel. To add profile picture, click on camera symbol and add that. Once you have completed all these steps, click on Create Channel. Now you have successfully created the WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt, please comment below.